Want to lose weight faster? Welcome to the world of protein-rich breakfasts. Did you know that starting your day with a dose of high-quality protein can accelerate your weight loss journey? Protein is not just a crucial building block for your body, but it also keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing those mid-morning snack cravings. So what should you be eating for breakfast to reap these benefits? Let's dive in. Let's start with a classic breakfast food: eggs. Now, eggs aren't just a tasty start to your day, they're also a powerhouse of nutrition. They're brimming with high-quality protein, which is known to keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. That means you're less likely to reach for those mid-morning snacks. But the benefits of eggs don't stop there. They're also packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to function at its best. Think of vitamins like B2 and B12, as well as selenium and choline. And let's not forget about the versatility of eggs. Scrambled, poached, boiled, or whisked into an omelette. They can be prepared in countless ways to keep your breakfast menu exciting. So if you're looking to give your breakfast a protein-rich makeover, why not consider eggs? Next time you're making breakfast, consider whipping up some eggs for a protein-packed start to your day. Another excellent option for a protein-rich breakfast is Greek yogurt. This delightful dairy product is a breakfast superhero. It's not just high in protein, but also low in fat and packed with probiotics that help keep your gut healthy. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of creamy Greek yogurt, topped with your favorite fruits, nuts, or seeds. The protein in the yogurt helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, while the added fiber from the fruits, nuts, or seeds aids in digestion and provides an extra energy boost. You can even get creative and blend it into a smoothie or use it as a base for overnight oats. The possibilities are endless, and so are the health benefits. So whether you choose eggs or Greek yogurt, starting your day with a protein-rich meal can help you lose weight faster. To sum up, embracing a protein-rich breakfast can be a game-changer in your weight loss journey. Remember, eggs are a powerhouse of high-quality protein and essential nutrients that keep you feeling full and satisfied. And don't forget Greek yogurt, a protein-rich delight that pairs perfectly with fruits, nuts, or seeds for added fiber and flavor. So start your day the right way and see the difference for yourself. Subscribe for more content and click the link in the description if you want to lose weight fast.